This highly precise chemical milling mask application is crucial for the Il-76's slotted wing panels.
The process is vital for reducing stress concentration points, which could lead to fatigue failure, leaving the metallic gray surface exceptionally smooth. In this wide assembly shot, we see the initial framework jigging of the Ilyushin Il-76 high-lift flap system.
Alignment looks good. Secure the bolts.
Torquing to specification now. Confirmed.
This section requires the high-strength adhesive specified in the schematic.
Confirmed. Applying a continuous bead now.
Run the scan on the inner segment now.
Reading stable at 0.02. We are within tolerance.
For instance, electrical engineers integrate the intricate wiring harnesses and sensors. They are then calibrated to provide
pressure stable at 3000, speed 2.1 seconds.
Synchronization is perfect. The deployment is fully nominal.
Thermal gradient looks good at peak stress. No anomalies on the riveting.
Confirmed. The high lift system is well within fatigue limits.
This section looks good. Taping is secure.
Same here. The caps are seated correctly on the electrical points. We are ready for coating.
Highly viscous, specialized protective caps are carefully inserted into all open hydraulic and electrical interfaces.
The newly formed, contoured 7075 T6 aluminum wing panel is immediately transferred into a large...
The aluminum wing panel skin is placed into a structural jig, and automated manipulators position the internal spars and ribs.
The riveting sequence on the Il-76 panel is holding steady.
Data looks nominal. Ensure the next batch of 7075 T6 is loaded. Immediately following the setting, an ultrasonic sensor head
High pressure and heat are applied in the autoclave, curing the structural adhesives. This creates an incredibly...
A robotic nozzle applies a thick, bright orange, aerospace-grade sealant along all internal seams.
The assembled 7075 T6 aluminum wing panel is sealed, and inert gas is pumped into the internal.
The massive slotted wing panel is secured, marking the end of the fabrication phase for the Ilyushin Il-76 Candid.
The massive Ilyushin Il-76 wing panel, crafted from 75.
Keep it coming slowly. Watch the clearance on the left side. Easy now, hold it there.
We are aligned on the lateral axis. Begin final descent very slowly.
Roger. Engaging hydraulics. 100 millimeters to contact.
We have alignment on the starboard panel. Engaging the torque wrench now.
Sequence initiated. Force nominal.
Hydraulic line secured. Preparing for pressure sequence check.
Roger that. Electrical systems report nominal values.
Panel surface looks solid. Let's cycle the slats.
Initiating sequence. Movement is smooth and within tolerance. Acknowledged.
The Ilyushin Il-76 Candid approaches a short, unimproved runway. Its slotted wing panels